I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're firing up the Flaming Coals Cyprus Spit with some kebab skewers. It's so simple, we're going to get the kids to do it. So today we've got an array of vegetables. We've got our diced lamb, diced chicken and diced pork. Let's get skewering. So we've finished skewering our kebab skewers. I'm going to get the hot charcoal onto the spit and then we're going to get cooking. Our skewers are on. Let's turn the motor on and we'll be done in about 12 minutes. It looks delicious. Oh, look at the tomato. We've got lamb. The best thing about this spit is if you have extra skewers, you can have those ready to go straight on once the first load's cooked. And that's how easy it is to cook kebab skewers on the Flaming Coals Cyprus Spit. The only thing left to do is to give it a go. Delicious, hey?